Since I learned this trick, I've never thrown lime peels in the trash again. For sure, this tip, with few ingredients, and especially the lemon peels that would be thrown in the trash, will bring the cleanliness that your bathroom needs. Many people end up throwing food scraps without knowing that they can be used again. And today we will give a new use. Let's start using the shells of 4 limes and 500 milliliters of water, putting everything in a blender. We will cover and then beat until completely crush the lime peels. The acidity contained in the lime ends up being one of the main items for cleaning, especially for removing stains. Next, we will use a sieve to separate, so we will use only the liquid only. With these 2 ingredients, we have already achieved an incredible mixture for cleaning. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Carol Vanderbilt from Ohio. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Next, we will put all the liquid in a bottle here. We are using one with a capacity of 500 milliliters, being the sufficiency for use for up to a month. We will also use a funnel, thus avoiding the waste of the mixture. Once it is at this point, we can already use the mixture. The ideal is directly on the toilet. Also use baking soda. The main use is to act directly with the acidity of lime, the alkaline effect caused by the use of this mixture with baking soda is what makes this tip different from all common products sold in the markets. Do not worry about the amount of use of the products. This tip works to remove all dirt, and especially yellowish stains. We should only put the mixture directly, and thus, we can already perform the cleaning effectively. My family always thanks me for the use of this mixture, especially for the ease in cleaning, and for always keeping the cleaning up. Most dirt will come out only with the contact of the mixture, and best of all, is that we can use in all items of the bathroom, including the sinks and even the bath area to finish. Just use a brush to remove the rest of the dirt. I'm sure this tip will facilitate your cleaning. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.